Skin on the neck and décolleté is tightened and smoothed with the highest concentration of Supplamine available in the MEG 21 product line. The ingredients in Supplamine have been tested in laboratory in vitro cell and tissue culture experiments. The ingredients in these laboratory studies have been demonstrated to intercept and reverse glycation, inflammation, and metabolic oxidation caused by the same toxic sugars formed in skin, which in turn cause skin aging. MEG 21 with Supplamine is fully validated through rigorous scientific research and clinical trials that provide proof of efficacy for Supplamine, MEG 21's proprietary patented ingredient. Also contains jojoba oil, shea butter and squalene, all designed to increase natural moisture within the skin. With the power of vitamin E and green tea, this potent formula is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatories. Ideal for dry skin. Skin appears firmer, more toned and elastic with continued use, tightens and smooths problem skin on upper arms, chest and neck, but gentle enough for the face. A poweful anti-aging formula contains Supplamine registered allergy tested non-irritating. For more info and special discounts please click the link below.